In. Let's see how the BJP is reacting to the violent clash which was reported from Bengaluru last night. BJP Karnataka has tweeted, and the gist of the tweet is that they believe that this violent attack was conducted by a mob of a certain community. They have even tagged INC Karnataka on this tweet, and they say that MLA Akhanda Srinivas Murthy and public property is their acts are highly condemnable. Those who indulged in arson and physically attacked police and public must be arrested immediately. No mercy will be shown to repeat offenders anymore. That is the tweet from BJP Karnataka. Imran, on similar lines, just a short while back, we also played out the reaction of the Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. He also said that action against perpetrators is certain.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Chief Minister, since tonight, he's been monitoring the situation. In fact, he spoke to the many officers and said that he has given free hand to them to deal with the crowd if the crowd is not coming under control. And only when the Chief Minister assured them that back them up, then the cops, after more than 4-5 hours of restraint, had to use the firing shots to dissuade the mob and to break the mob, which was going a bit out of control. Now, the Chief Minister, the BJP, has tweeted saying that this strict action will be issued against it, especially Akhanda Srinivas Murthy, who is a Dalit MLA, and some people are also trying to pitch it as Dalit versus another community. So this is the whole. This also going in the background of on social media about as portraying as a fight between communities, but officially the state administration has said that this is not such a case. It was about post, and that post person has been also taken into custody, MLA's nephew Naveen, and they also booked a case against him for creating disturbance between communities. But at the moment, the ambit of investigation is looking at all angles to it, not just about the post, but also whether it wasn't a premeditated crime.
And also, it needs to be looked into, Imran, what was the motivation behind that controversial post for the MLA's nephew? Was there something more to that post as well? Are the police looking into that aspect?
Well, that post was about, he was responding to an issue where BJP's former minister Murugesh Nirani had, in his personal WhatsApp, had put out some comments which were objectionable to people of Hindu faith. He had questioned the role of many of the Hindu gods and said that, are they really the gods? So responding to that, allegedly Naveen had posted on Facebook saying that why question only Hindus, but also other communities are there. And that post, which was in derogatory manner, so that was also posted on Facebook, but he claims that his Facebook was hacked, and somebody else posted it on his behalf. It's a matter of investigation, whether it was hacked or not hacked, or who posted it. But what is important is that it was a 2-week-old post,
right.
And why did it went viral today, yesterday? And what was, because it was almost 2-week-old. It was among a series of comments. Not just him, along many people had commented on that video, news item, and why it went viral yesterday, and especially
I think that's a very important point. Imran, thanks very much for the moment, for getting us all those updates from Bengaluru, and keep tracking the latest details. We'll come back to you later as well. We have to take a very quick break here. News and updates will continue on the other side.